In every Florida county, there exists a trusted guiding hand that keeps our justice system accessible, efficient, and fair. This role belongs to your independently elected Clerk of Court, an office rooted in our state's constitution with responsibilities that serve every corner of our communities. The clerk is in many ways the concierge of the justice system, helping citizens navigate everything from accessing records to protecting some of our most vulnerable populations. As you may know, Florida's Clerks of Court oversee the management of millions of potential jurors, ensuring courts have the support to operate smoothly and uphold justice. But the clerk's role is so much more than just an office that summons you for jury duty. Florida law entrusts them with more than 1,000 statutory responsibilities, duties that make our justice system operate smoothly, fairly, and transparently. The clerk is a steward of our public records, ensuring the people have access to the information they need to stay informed and engaged. They uphold transparency, maintain court records, and make sure documents are not just accessible, but secure.
From facilitating court documents and processing payments to guiding individuals through the legal process, we're here to make the system accessible and efficient. Our mission is to provide exceptional service and help our communities navigate the courts with confidence.
The clerk's responsibilities also extend to serving those who may need extra support. Clerks are advocates for victims of domestic violence, facilitating restraining orders and protection measures. Clerks play a vital role in processing Baker Act and Marchment Act cases with precision and compassion. Through their diligent work, they ensure that individuals affected by severe mental health and substance use disorders can access the critical legal interventions and support they need. They also help protect wards under guardianship with the state, investigating potential incidents of financial fraud or waste. This ensures Florida's elderly and vulnerable citizens aren't taken advantage of and receive the care and oversight they deserve.
Throughout my judicial career, I've enjoyed a great working relationship with the Clerks of Court, who are indispensable to the judicial system. They ensure seamless flow of information, resources, and services that support the judiciary.
Clerks play an essential role in child adoption and child support cases. They manage and maintain adoption case records, ensuring confidentiality and adherence to legal protocols throughout the process. Additionally, they audit and monitor child support payments, keeping accurate records and facilitating enforcement actions when payments are missed, ensuring compliance with court-ordered support obligations. Each of these services is a step towards healthier, safer communities for all. To fulfill these responsibilities, clerks work closely with partners across the justice system. Collaboration with law enforcement, judges, attorneys, and other constitutional officers allows the clerk to be at the heart of a network promoting public safety, accountability, and justice. This includes partnering with the Florida Attorney General, the state court system, state attorneys and public defenders, local sheriff's offices and police departments and their associations, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, the Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, the Department of Corrections, local boards of county commissioners, property appraisers, supervisors of elections, tax collectors, and state legislators to streamline and uphold the fair administration of justice.
The relationship between the clerks of the court and the court system, particularly the trial courts, is an inevitable and invaluable partnership. We come to the table with the same common goal of access to justice, but we bring different insights and perspectives, and we may not always agree, but the conversation produces better results.
In most counties, clerks also serve as the Comptroller, safeguarding the county's finances and ensuring taxpayer dollars are spent wisely. The role of Comptroller is just as crucial to the health of our communities. This dual responsibility includes maintaining financial oversight for the county, monitoring spending, and performing audits to prevent waste and fraud.
A lot of people don't know that we're not just clerks. As comptrollers, we have the unique responsibility of ensuring transparency and accountability in how your local tax dollars are used.
Comptrollers perform several key financial duties, like managing county finances. This includes paying the county's bills, managing payroll, and overseeing other expenditures, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. Another instrumental duty is to produce and oversee financial reporting. Each month and at the end of every fiscal year, clerks provide detailed reports that track income, expenses, and overall financial health. These reports aren't just numbers, they're a commitment to transparency, giving citizens a clear view of how their tax dollars are used in their communities.
Our job is to make sure tax dollars are used effectively. We're here to ensure accountability every step of the way.
In many counties, the clerk's role as comptroller also includes budgetary oversight. By reviewing and approving county budgets, clerks ensure that proposed spending aligns with community priorities and serves the best interests of the public. This oversight protects against unnecessary or unapproved spending and helps build a stronger, more financially stable community.
As clerks and comptrollers, we're honored to serve as the keepers and protectors of your county's records and finances. It's our duty to ensure that your records are kept in an accessible and accurate manner, and to make sure that your hard-earned tax dollars are used in a legally permissible way.
Auditing is another critical function. As the county's internal auditor, the clerk ensures that county departments follow financial regulations and that taxpayer money is used properly. By performing audits, clerks help detect and prevent fraud, ensure compliance with the law, and provide accountability to the public.
The audits that we conduct as comptrollers are at the end of the day about one thing: trust. We want every citizen to know that their county government is accountable to them and that every dollar of taxpayer money is being carefully monitored.
Beyond these financial duties, clerks also act as custodians of financial records. In their role as comptroller, they manage, preserve, and provide access to county financial records. These documents, from budget reports to audit findings, are accessible to the public, reinforcing transparency and providing citizens the power to stay informed. In every action they take, clerks are stewards of both justice and fiscal responsibility. They are at the center of a network that safeguards the finances and integrity of our counties, working every day to serve the people and protect public funds.
Our dedication to Floridians is unwavering, and we're honored to serve in this role that directly impacts the lives of our constituents every single day.
Today's clerks of court are not just record keepers, they're advocates for accountability, transparency, and integrity in government. The next time you think about your local government, remember your clerk of court, the steward of your trust and a guardian of county finances.